Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of luxurious, universally flattering beauty products, today's review is something you'll want to stick around for. We're diving into the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Secrets Holiday Set. This set includes a full-size Matte Revolution lipstick, lip cheat liner, Collagen Lip Bath Plumper, and Jewel Lips lip gloss, all in the iconic, universally flattering Pillow Talk Rosy Pink shade. Perfect for creating that polished, full lip look, this set is designed to be an all-in-one lip essentials collection for a gorgeous, effortlessly glam finish. Now let's break it down a bit more. The star of this set, as you might guess, is the Pillow Talk shade. It's known for complementing a wide range of skin tones, making it a cult favorite for many. The set includes a lip liner, which is great for defining and enhancing the shape of your lips. The matte lipstick gives a polished, non-drying finish. The Collagen Lip Bath Plumper is designed to add moisture while giving that full, plump effect. And the Jewel Lips lip gloss brings in high shine, moisture, and a subtle shimmer for that perfect finish. Lastly, the highlighter wand is there for that extra touch of glow, perfect for customizing your shine. In terms of real-world usage, I put this set to the test during a couple of different occasions. From casual daytime wear to a more dressed-up evening look. The lip liner is smooth and easy to apply, with a creamy texture that doesn't drag on the lips, making it simple to define and shape. The Matte Revolution lipstick applies evenly, and the color payoff is fantastic, though it's not entirely transfer-proof, so you may need to reapply after eating or drinking. As for the Lip Bath Plumper, it's incredibly hydrating, and the plumping effect is noticeable without feeling too tingly or uncomfortable. The Jewel Lips lip gloss is my personal favorite for a little extra shine. It's not sticky and leaves lips feeling soft. The highlighter wand adds a touch of radiance, which can be easily built up depending on how much glow you want. But it's not all perfect. While the lip products perform beautifully, I found that the highlighter wand, though nice, wasn't a standout feature for me. It's subtle, which is great if you want a light, dewy glow, but it might not be enough for those who love a bold highlight. Also, if you're looking for a matte finish that lasts through everything, you might have to touch up every now and then, as the lipstick doesn't have the longest wear time. On the pros side, this set offers high-quality, luxurious-feeling products that work well together. The Pillow Talk shade is flattering, and the variety of products means you can create a full lip look without needing anything extra. It's easy to wear daily, but also perfect for a more elevated look for special occasions. The packaging is chic and sleek, making it feel like a little piece of luxury. On the con side, the lipstick's longevity could be better, and the highlighter wand might not pack enough punch for some users who love a stronger glow. As for value for money, this set sits firmly in the luxury price range, so you are paying for that luxury feel and quality. Given the versatility and the luxury of the Charlotte Tilbury brand, it could be a solid investment if you're looking to treat yourself or give someone special. But if you're just after a basic lip look, it might be a bit on the pricier side for what you're getting, especially if you already own similar lip products. Now let's talk alternatives. If you're after something in the same shade range, but at a lower price point, there are definitely comparable products from other brands, though they might not carry the same high-end feel. You could look into shades from brands like Maybelline or NYX, which often offer more budget-friendly versions of iconic lip shades. However, you might lose some of the added luxury and performance, like the collagen plumping effect. In terms of build quality, all the products in this set feel solid. The packaging is sleek, and the products themselves feel high-end, something that's not too surprising considering the Charlotte Tilbury brand. It's sturdy and doesn't feel cheap, which adds to the overall luxury experience. As for longevity, there's no specific long-term data available yet, but based on my experience with similar products from the brand, I'd expect them to hold up well with regular use. I didn't have to interact with customer support, but given Charlotte Tilbury's reputation, you can expect good customer service and return policies, which adds some confidence if you were to have any issues with the set. To wrap it up, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Secrets Holiday Set is a high-quality, luxurious set that delivers flattering shades and versatile products. It's perfect if you're looking for a curated lip look with a little extra luxury. However, if you're looking for something super long-lasting or bold in the highlighter department, you might be a little disappointed. For those who love pillow talk and want an all-in-one lip essential set, this could be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others can discover this review too. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts or questions, leave them in the comments below. The link to grab this product is also in the comments box. Until next time, keep shining, and remember, you've got Beautyistic on your side.